Hi everyone, in today's video we are setting up a simple landing page using a website builder Elementor. Okay, so let's start creating a landing page. Now for that I have a basic installation of WordPress is ready. Currently you can see this is our home page. By default with installation default theme 2025 is activated. Now to use Elementor features you need to install that plugin. So for that go to plugins, click on add new plugin, search for Elementor. So I am installing and activating that plugin. Okay, so this is a free plugin to use which has been installed and activated. If you want you want to use more features, then you can also go for Elementor Pro. Now, to use this plugin, you won't need a specific theme. This website builder works well with almost many themes. If you want Elementor specific themes, then you can go for Hello Elementor. So for currently 2025, so on this theme also you can use Elementor builder, and if you want to go for Elementor specific, then you can install Hello Elementor. Okay, here it is. I'm installing and activating that thing. Okay, this is installed and I am activating that theme. Okay, so now Elementor specific theme is activated, and let me refresh the page. Okay, so this is what it is currently showing. Now let's beautify it. Now with default installation, blog page is our front page. Now we want our landing page as a front page. So let's make that first. For that I will go to pages. Now here you will also notice a new menu item Elementor with sub items because we have activated plugin. Now go to a pages, add new page. I'm creating a home and publishing. Now let's go to settings, reading. Here in static page I'm selecting home, save changes, and let's see the site preview. Now this is our default. Now I'm refreshing. So our new page is a front page now. Now if you go to a page, edit it. Here you will find option edit with Elementor. Let's click it. Okay, so this is a Elementor editor. You will find here on left you will find all features, all elements to use. Now you on some element you will find this lock because it is for a paid plugin only, so you need to buy that Elementor Pro to use these features. Here you will find the panel by default open, its structure panel. So whatever page structure you are making, it will be indexed in this panel. You will also, if it is not there, you can also get it from here from top left menu. So let's add our element. Now let's update header and footer. Now, header and footer is are not something which you will create from here drag and drop feature, because those are the elements will be shown in all pages. So you need to change your site settings first. Now, to reach site settings options, you either click here site settings. Here you will find you kind of say global elements, so whatever you change here will affect throughout the site. Another option is you go to dashboard. In dashboard, go Elementor home. Here you will find a section jumpstart your web creation. This will lead you the same place to update your global settings. Now let's start with the header. Let's check mockup. Okay, in header we have logo and menu items. So let's create menu items as well as upload a logo. Okay, so let's go to customize. I'm going. These are default customization options, but it will work with Elementor. Okay, so to simplify things, I have uploaded all images in media library. You can upload as from your mockup as you need. Okay, so here we have uploaded logo, tagline. We don't want to include as per our mockup, so this is fine. Let's publish it. To create a menu, I'm going appearances menus. Here I'm writing primary main menu or main menu, whatever you like. Here it asks where you want to show. So as per mockup, we want to show it in header. Let's create a menu. Now we don't have pages right now. So for display purpose, I'm just adding custom links. In mockup, we have home, services, about, contact. Okay, so home we have services, about, content. Okay, so we have created our menu. Now let's go to pages, home. Okay, now here menu items are showing because we have created menu and assign its location that I want to show it in a header. So by default it's showing. Now here in site setting, you will find hello theme header. In case if it is not showing, then you need to check this option. Now here you first, if you see, you will find all options for colors, fonts, typography, images, form fields, site identity, etc. These are common elements. Whatever common elements you want throughout your website, you will set in site settings. Now header, for header, go to hello theme header. Okay, in header, we have four subsections related to elements, that is header, logo, tagline, and menu, in which we want to change uh, header first. In header, you will have option that what you want to include. You want to include a logo, tagline, menu. You can hide show it from here. So, for example, I have chosen this hide, so logo is hidden, but we want that. We don't want tagline any. Menu is fine. If it is not showing, then you can show it from here. Here it is asking of layout of your header. So you want it inverted. So you want to switch the default place, you want it centered, or you want it default. So let's keep it default. Next setting is related to structure. So there are two types of structure. You want to stretch your header as per your browser size, or you want it for a fixed size. So for now we are going with the default settings. So let's choose that boxed, that will be fixed size. As you can mention here, width of the header, you can also add more margins or less margins. Now next section is about a background. You want it a simple color, or you want to add image. So we need image, so I'm going here. We have green background in header, so we are showing that. Now as you add images, you will get more option related to background. So these are all option you can play around to set your header image. So that is this all settings are done for header. Now let's go to site logo. You can also work on width uh, of logo here. Additionally, you will find option for mobile, tablet, and desktop as well. So by default, for now we are keeping it. We are not going into a responsive things right now. So we are keeping it as it is. For menu, you will have all menu item list here, which you have created in appearances menus. So for now we have only one. So that is selected in header. So by default that is going. Here it is asking you want a menu layout horizontal or drop down. So by drop down you will get this hamburger icon, so which give you this kind of layout. So but we want horizontal only. Okay, here it is asking for a breakpoint. So this is for responsive thing. So where you want to convert your menu in hamburger menu, that's what you are uh, choosing. So we have selected tablets. So after this size, it will be converted from hamburger menu to horizontal menu. Here more option related to customization, colors and fonts and all that. So for now this is fine. Let's save it. Okay, so this is for now this is our header. Now let's work on footer part. Now in footer we have two elements, that is social media icon, and we have a copyright message. So let's check footer settings. I'm going to site settings, hello theme footer. Now here similar to header, you will find four subsections for footer as well. That is footer structure, site logo, tagline, and copyright specific setting. So let's check this one, footer. In footer, initially it is asking for options to include. You want a site logo or not, you want tagline or not, then menu, copyright. Now we want in footer, we don't want a logo and tagline, so I'm keeping copyright. Menu I have kept it because I want to show social media icon as a menu. Now again, similar to header, you will find a layout, that how you want to keep it. So our layout will be centered because social media icons and copyright both are centered. You will find similar items for layout. You want fixed width or full width. Then you want to change background or not. Our background is plain white, so we don't want to change anything here. Now if we go to here in menu item, to show social media icon, I have created another menu in appearances menu. So here, so I have created this menu, name it social menu, and I'm showing it here. Okay, I need to make it selected that I want this in footer. So we got the menu, social media icons and copyright as well per our mockup. Okay, so now we have little bit different markup structure than what default things are offering. That is, we have our menu items on left with our logo, and instead of text-based URLs links, we are using images. So for that, I am taking little bit help from custom CSS. So okay, so by adding this much, this will help me to achieve that look. Now, okay, here I need to change. Okay, so this is good to go. Header footer is almost set. Now let's work on our hero section. Now we are editing content area. But before that, we are getting here by default page title of the page. Now, how to remove that? For that, go to Appearances, Theme Settings. Here you will find few options regarding Hello Theme settings, and here you will find Disable Page Title. So I am disabling. Let's check preview. Refreshing the page. Now it has been clear. Now we are good to add page is good for adding content. Hero section, we have two subsection. On right we are having image which I like to present as a carousel, so we can include more summer drinks images. And on left we are having info which includes title, few more information, and we have call of action. So let's create this section. Now in editor you have two ways to create. Either you can click here and add a new container, or you can drag and drop this option and you can create the section. So suppose if I'm dragging and dropping this section, you will get this uh, purple border section ready, which you can modify here. So this section can be modified with these options, or you can click here and you will be asked here what kind of section you want to create, grid structure or flexbox structure. So I am choosing flexbox with two column structure as my mockup needs. Okay, so in both way you can achieve the same. So we have this section ready with two columns. Now before adding content to columns, I need a background image to my section. So I am selecting my section, going in the style, and I am giving it background style. Okay, so our hero background has been applied to section. As I applied the image, more option is relevant options are we have. You can always come back to element or section or anything to revise the option. For now, I'm keeping it as it is. Just position I'm changing like top center. Okay, let me save it. So now let's start adding elements to column. So on left column, let's add element. So as per element, you just drag and drop items. So first we have image. So I'm choosing image. Okay, as we are dropping the element, its relevant property will be open on the left side. Or if you have multiple elements on the page, then when you hover the element, you will find this icon. So select that. So selected items or elements, properties, options you will find on a left column to add it. So let's change it to lemon. Our second element is a title. So for that I am choosing heading. We still have another title. Refreshing and fun. Okay, after this title we have paragraph. So for paragraph we are choosing element text editor. Now as you dragging and hovering the element, that purple bar is highlighted. So that highlighted your desired placed once you are happy that you want where you want to put it. Suppose if you want it after drinks or after summer or after this, so accordingly you just drop the element. So I want it after this title, refreshing and funny, so I'm dropping it here. Okay, now after these things we have call of action that both options are side by side. So for that I'm choosing element grid. Okay, so this is by default setting, that is two row with three columns. So we need two columns, and now inside this grid we want button. What was that? Sign in and read more. Okay, we want another button. Now, to beautify the elements, to apply modification, you need to hover the elements, select the item. Whatever element or item you select, relevant options will be open on a left column. So you can apply the changes. It can be style, margin, padding, typography, or anything. Now this is a left column. Now we are having a right column. We have a slideshow. So for that we have a element image carousel. So I am dragging and dropping that. Okay, so here we are selecting the images. So with this three images, I want a slideshow. Okay, so here we want only one image. So here we are selecting one. Now we have some basic page setup is ready. To achieve a look as per mockup, we need to play around various options. So we need to set up global colors, typography. If we need specific styling to particular element, then we need to select the elements and work around the styling and etc. So let me apply and show you the final result. I have applied few tweaks here and there. So few settings I have applied in site settings, some global elements which I want to repeat in elements, and few I have applied specific to element by selecting the element. So this is something final page is showing. So this is something final page is showing. So we have header, footer and middle section ready. So thanks for watching. This is it for today. Thank you.